In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blank screen in CapCut. This is really useful if you want a short pause in your video, a moment for on-screen text, or a clean transition without any visuals. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along inside your own project. First, make sure you already have a project open in the CapCut editor. You should see your timeline at the bottom and a panel on the left where your files and tools are. On that left panel, click on Media. From there, choose any video or image you want to work with. Once you've selected it, drag and drop it directly onto your timeline. When you place your clip, make sure it sits either above or below an existing track if you already have one. In CapCut, you can stack clips on multiple layers, and this is important for creating gaps later. Another option, if you already have a clip on your timeline, is to simply split that clip. You can split it where you want the blank screen to appear, then drag one of the split pieces to a new track so that they no longer sit side by side on the same line. Now, to actually create the blank screen, click to select one of the clips on the timeline and gently drag it towards the right. Pay attention as you move it. You want to make sure it no longer aligns with any media above or below it. Leave a visible gap between this clip and the next clip on the same track. And also make sure there is no other video or image filling that gap on any other track. That empty section you've just created is where the blank screen will appear. Once you've set up that gap, move your playhead, the vertical line on the timeline near the end of the first clip that appears. Click play and watch the preview. You'll notice that as soon as the playhead reaches the empty gap where there are no connecting or overlapping clips, the preview turns into a plain black screen. That's your blank screen right there. You can adjust the length of this blank pause simply by dragging the clips farther apart to make the gap longer or closer together to shorten it. And that's it. You've successfully added a blank screen in CapCut just by creating an empty space between your clips on the timeline.